Intermembranous ossification. Intermembranous ossification occurs while the fetus is in the womb, and what happens is flat bones in the body, for example, bones in the skull and collarbone, are formed from the connective tissue. This all starts with mesenchymal cells. These are basically a building block cell which can turn into osteoblasts. These osteoblasts are what make up the actual bone. When many osteoblasts come together, they will form an ossification center, which is the start of the ossification process. In the ossification center, bones are growing in a linear direction. This process of linear growing are called spicules. Blood vessels then grow and branch all around the spicules, bringing nutrients in that the bone needs to grow. During this process, there are many more ossification centers growing, and the spicules from each center grow and fuse together to create spongy bone, which is multiple spicules forming a lattice appearance. Since spongy bone is a weaker form of bone, a process of remodeling needs to occur, which transforms the spongy bone into compact bone. This is hardened spongy bone and is less porous, which stores calcium to support the body. The bone is now calcified. Lacunae shows up in the calcified bone. This is where osteocytes or osteoblasts are found in the actual bone. Found in the extracellular bone matrix, you will find calcium salts and alkaline phosphatase. They are there for if the body starts to run low on calcium or alkaline, it can be taken from the bone without hurting it. Periosteum, a fibrous membrane of connective tissue, is found on the outside of the bone once the remodeling process has happened. This is not found on any articulating surfaces due to the fact that it can't stick to cartilage. It has attachment sites for muscles, ligaments, and tendons. It is responsible for forming new bone as a result of injury or infection.